Hello students, welcome all of you to today's English class. Dear students, your summative examination is very near, so don't lose your time unnecessarily. Read the topic 2 is and practice the questions for your exam. Here is a set of questions for your exam. Practice it again and again, okay? First of all, you should read the instructions properly. First instruction is answer all questions. Each question carries equal mark. Okay, dear students, don't skip any questions. There is no any negative mark, so try to attend all the questions. Read all these questions properly, carefully, with peaceful mind, silently, and then answer the questions. Okay, don't skip any question. And each question carries 1 mark, so total question is 50 and mark is 50, and for that time allotted for you is 60 minutes. Okay, so do it properly. Second is, each question has 4 probable options. Select correct options and darken the entire circle with black or blue ballpoint pen. Dear ones, you should use black pen or ball pen for darkening the correct option. Okay, dear students, look at here. In each question 4 options are given here, like A, B, C and D. So you should read the questions properly, carefully, with peaceful mind, and also see the options, 4 options perfectly, and after that dark only one option. Okay, don't dark more than one option. For example, your answer is here 1 number B, so you should dark the answer number B and dark it properly, नचेत रिजेक्ट हो। ठीक अच्छे, जोटा तुम आंसर भावुच 4टी ऑप्शन भितर गोटे को तुम डार्क कर भल भाव कंप्यूटराइज चेकिंग जिते बड़े हम डार्कनिंगटा जदि भल भाव ताले तुम मार्क स्कोर बा जो मार्किंग हम से भूल हे नहीं। जदि तुम्हें जस्ट खाली एमती करके रखिदे कि एमती रखिदे तेबे सेटा हुए तो रिजेक्ट हो पारे। ओके, एंड थर्ड ऑप्शन इज इट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू हैंड ओवर द आंसर शीट टू द इन्विजिलेटर। सो यू शुड after completion you should hand over your answer sheet to the invigilator. Okay, so now starts from question number 1. 1 number is Lencho, the hero of a letter to God, was a farmer. Next question, Lencho considered the raindrops as days, pears, jewels, small coins, new coins. Yes, new coins. Option number D is the correct answer. Likewise, you should darken all these options. Okay, next one is Lencho was an ox of a man. The expression means, read the options. Yes, Lencho, option B, Lencho was hard working. You all know that Lencho was a farmer who worked hard like an animal. Here ox is the name of an animal. 4 number, in his first letter Lencho requested God to send him days pesos. Yes, 100 pesos, because after the destruction of Lencho's cornfield, Lencho needed 100 pesos in order to sow his field again. Next question number 5 is given. Lencho in his second letter requested God not to send money through the mail since, option number C, the post office employees were quite dishonest, a bunch of crooks. Okay. Next question number 6. Gandhiji's false notion about handwriting. Yes, Gandhiji had one false notion, bad idea. False notion means bad idea regarding handwriting. That is option number D. Good handwriting was not a necessary part of education. Next question number 7. What is given here? He obtained a scholarship of rupees days when he was in 5th standard. Answer is 4. Okay. 8 number is, the special reason for Gandhiji's dislike for games and sports was his service to his father. Option number A. Next is question number 9. There was a sort of days going on between Sanskrit and Persian teacher. Yes, rivalry. And 10 number, I could not disregard my teacher's affection. Which teacher does it mean here? Here is Sanskrit teacher. 10 number option is C. Next is question number 11. The poet of the poem All Things Bright and Beautiful is C.F. Alexander. Option number C. Next is, what has God given to the little words as described in All Things Bright and Beautiful? Little words given here means tiny wings. Answer option A. Next question number 13. Where can we find tall trees? Yes, tall trees are in the green wood. Next 40 number. The mountain in the poem All Things Bright and Beautiful is described as, look at the options. Yes, purple headed. 50 number question. In the line he made their glowing colors. The word there, here there refers to glowing colors given to the flowers so that the flowers looks very beautiful. 16 number. What is the central idea of the poem The Solitary Reaper? Central idea is beautiful experiences have long lasting effects. Yes. Next one, perhaps the plaintive numbers flow. The underlined word means sad music. 18 number. What does the poet mean to say as if her song could have no endings? Here option number D, that the song contains an everlasting universal theme which recycles. The poem of the girls always recycles. 19 number. What was the girl reaping the corn with? Yes, the girl was reaping the corn with sickle. 20 number. What breaks the silence of the seas? The song of the cuckoo. Option number B. Who named the tiger cub Timothy? Yes, writer's grandmother. Look at the options here. Writer's mother and writer's grandmother. So, try to read the options correctly, okay? Then what was the Timothy's length? Yes, the Timothy was 18 inches long. What was Timothy's favorite place? Drawing room was the favorite place. Next is, the Jew was days away from the grandfather's house. Option A, 200 miles away. Next is, a tiger in the house was written by. Its answer is Ruskin Bond. The story, The Beggar, is written by. Yes, Anton Chekhov. Next one, where did Sergei meet the beggar at first? Yes, in Sadovya Street. Next one is, how much money was given to the beggar for chopping wood? Yes, it is half a ruble. Next, who really saved and changed Laskov's life? Yes, that is Olga. Who is Olga? Sergei's cook. Next is, at last Laskov became a notary. Yes. Next one is, write the single word for the expression. A violent storm whose center is a cloud in the shape of a tunnel. You should remember, shape of a tunnel, tornado. Option number B. Okay. The postman expressed his contentment. The underlined word means it is asking for only the meaning. Okay. So contentment means satisfaction. 33. These sports persons are going to meet the president. Their performance has been excellent. What is the question? Join sentences making one of them a non-defining relative clause. Non-defining relative clause means you should remember about the use of comma in the sentence. So accordingly, option number B is the correct answer. Okay. That is, the sports persons, whose performance has been excellent, are going to meet the president. Okay. Next question is, they keep him informed of everything and take no firm decision without consulting him. Replace the underlined words with a suitable single word. Yes, firm decision means resolution. Option number A. Next question is, in which of the sentence the underlined word used as a verb? Okay, verb means it is action word. So here the word field is used as verb, means action word. Look at here in sentence 1, the children are playing in the field. Here are playing is verb here. And where the field is used as a noun, indicating a place. And second one, the field is wet. What is wet? the field is wet. Is verb and field is used as subject here. And in C, the ball went out because the players could not field it. Okay, here field is used as verb. Could not field it. And D option, he is standing in the middle of the field. Here is standing is the verb and field is used as noun. So option number C will be the answer here. Next question is question number 36. What is the meaning of the word lenient? Yet lenient means not strict. You will know that the person teacher is lenient means not strict. 37. Use negative prefix of the word believable. Yes, negative prefix means it opposite. So believable's opposite is unbelievable. Okay. Next one is 38 number question. All the guests dash before the party started. Question is use the appropriate form of the verb given in bracket. In the bracket, what is given here? Arrive. Look at the sentence here. Here started is given here. It means started is in the form of simple past. So remember, my dear students, if there is any dash and one verb is given here as simple past, you must use past perfect in the dash. Okay. So accordingly, your answer will be option number D. Look at here, had arrived is in the form of past perfect. Okay. Next 39. I saw you, I invited you to my party. Join the above two sentences using if clause. Okay, you should use join the sentence by using if clause. So accordingly, option number A is the correct answer. If I saw you, I would have invited. It is the correct form. Next question is children hardly refuse days obey. Yes, correct preposition is to. Next is Ramesh has been studying to pass the examination. The finite verb in the sentence is yes, option number B, has. Look at here, Ramesh has. Here has is the verb which can change according to the subject. Okay. Next one is 42 number. He answered all questions. Choose the correct pattern. Here he is a subject. Answered is verb. All questions. He answered what? Yes, answer is all questions. So it is object. So pattern is SBO. Option number A. Next is he is poor. Dash he is happy. Yes, yet he is happy. Next is curry and rice. Dash my favorite food. Yes, is. These are food items. Okay. Next is 45 number. Either of the boys has. Option number A. Okay. Next is Kotak is dash Mahanadi. Yes, on Mahanadi. 47. The man paid the bill dash cash. Yes, in cash. Next 48 number. Students should concentrate their studies. Yes, on studies. And 49. That he is honest is known to all. The function of the noun clause is dash. Yes, it is used as subject. 49 number B. And last one, lots of people died of COVID-19. This is really tragic. Yes, which is really tragic. Option number B is the correct answer. So my dear students, practice these questions 2 times each. Okay. Best of luck for your exam. Thank you.